Hi lovely people, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to Love That Bite. Today I'm gonna show you a family simple food from my house. It's tuna pasta with dill pesto. It is delicious and really easy to make, so let's get started. First of all, you need to cook the pasta. You can use any pasta you like. Just let it cook until al dente according to the package direction and drain them. In a measuring bowl, I'm just gonna take the leafy part of the dill, but it's okay if you get some of the stem in there. Then add the olive oil, freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano, Dijon mustard, a teaspoon of lemon juice, salt, and black pepper. And I'm processing them all with an immersion blender for a few seconds until smooth and set aside. Then I'm gonna cut a nice red onion in half that way and slicing it just like an apple. And now I'm adding a tablespoon of olive oil into my pan and put it on medium-high heat, then saute the onion for about 1 minute or 2. And into that, straight away I'm gonna put the pasta that I boiled and drained before. And here, I've got some good quality of tuna. And I'm just gonna top it off with our dill mixture. Got this pasta really well with all this lovely pesto. And here I've got some pistachios and I'm just gonna roughly chop them and sprinkle over the pasta. And just because I'm feeling a little bit of a fancy mood, so I'm just gonna add an extra Parmigiano Reggiano and some lemon zest. And here you have it, a simple, healthy and delicious pasta dish. If you want full of the recipe, check it out in the box below over my website LoveThatBite.com. Please give a like, do a subscribe, or maybe you might leave a comment in the box below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!